In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a Linktree website in Canva for Instagram bio link. By the end, you'll have a clean mobile-friendly page where your audience can tap one link and quickly access your videos, shop, blog, or any other important destinations. Start by opening Canva. In the search bar at the top, type bio link, website, or link in bio. This will pull up mobile-optimized, vertical templates designed specifically for phones, so everything looks great in your Instagram bio. Browse until you find a layout that matches your style and the number of links you need. When one catches your eye, click it to open. Now customize it so it feels like you. Replace the placeholder photo with your own by uploading an image and dragging it into place. Update colors to match your brand palette and switch the fonts to something that's readable on a small screen. Keep contrast high so text is easy to see. Add your name and logo where the template provides space, and make sure everything lines up neatly. A simple, consistent look helps people find what they want fast. Next, add your links. Select any text button or icon you want to make clickable. Look for the link icon, the little chain link in the top toolbar. Click it and paste your URL. This could be your YouTube channel, a blog post, a product page, a newsletter sign-up, whatever you want to feature. Confirm the link to apply it, then repeat for each button or label on your page. Rename button text so it's clear and action-focused. Like watch the latest video or shop the collection. Take a moment to double-check spelling and URLs to avoid broken links. When your page looks good, it's time to publish. Click Share in the top right corner. Choose Website and then click the Publish Website button. Canva will generate a live link that hosts your page for you. Give it a moment to process, then copy the published link. Now head over to Instagram. Go to your profile. Tap Edit Profile, find the website field and paste the link you just copied. Save your changes. Open your profile to make sure the link appears, and tap it to test that each button goes to the correct destination. If anything needs adjusting, jump back into Canva, make your edits, and republish so the changes update on your link. That's it. Thanks for watching.